Sunday morning. My family left about a half hour ago. I get my room back now. It's great. I've just been editing basically all morning. I went out to see the chickens. It's about 12:30 in the afternoon. Might have a friend over later. Continue editing. I'll post last week's vlog. I'm just gonna chill, I guess. Pretty nice weekend. I've been home for like 3 hours. I had to do some work for one of my online classes that just opened today. I had to email my Spanish teacher. I'm gonna be moving up a class because the one I got into was way too easy. Then I worked on doing memorizing the Gettysburg Address, which is so annoying. I had to get to paragraph 3, memorize all that. So that was fun, but I don't think I'm gonna have to finish it because I'm leaving this Friday. So super excited for that. I'm leaving school. I'm not actually leaving yet, but I'm really excited. So I'm probably just gonna watch something, chill, because I'm brain dead. It's Monday. Ugh. Probably vacuum my room. Then do something chill. Yeah. See ya. Good morning. It's Thursday. I didn't vlog at all yesterday. I didn't do very much. I also didn't want to vlog because I'm losing my voice. I'm getting sick. It's awful. Yesterday in school I went rock climbing. It was scary. Probably won't do that again. But after school I just did a whole bunch of my online school, which just started. And then I had a meeting with one of my teachers, and I was just watching TV too. That's basically it. Today I have riding after school. I don't know, nothing really exciting after. But yeah, see you later. I just got home and my mom was like, okay, so just look in that box. And I was like, okay. It's like an enormous box. So I opened it and there are 2 Instant Pots. We already have a bigger Instant Pot, but we decided to buy a small one for our trip, and apparently she accidentally ordered 2. So I'm going to be giving my grandmother one, but that was funny. I could do an unboxing if you want me to. I haven't decided yet. I already did unbox a bigger one, so it's going to probably be the same, but maybe. I'm just going to start packing, I guess, because it's going to snow on Friday and we want to be all packed before the snow. And Saturday and Sunday too. So yeah. See you then. I'm sorry I haven't been vlogging much. I'm just sick and I can't really talk. Yesterday I had ski club. Now it's Friday. It's my last day of school. I'm really excited. I think tomorrow I'll be announcing where we're going on our trip. I'm really excited. So yeah, I gotta go because I can't talk. Bye. So I'm gonna be ending the vlog here. I can't really talk. But tomorrow I'm gonna be going skiing with my family. That will be on the next vlog. I just have to edit this vlog today so I can post it tomorrow because I won't be able to edit it while we're skiing. So yeah. I'll see you next vlog then. Not really gonna do much today. Maybe start my school, without being at public school too. So, see you next week.